Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying basics you already know, then act. Confirm your internet and server respond, and open webmail to rule out server outages. Next, export or write down exact account settings, email address, incoming and outgoing server names, ports, and encryption types, because you will re-enter them. Once done, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus so they aren't blocking connections. Make sure to note which setting you changed so you can restore it later. You now repair the account. Run Outlook's built-in repair, and if that fails, create a new profile and choose manual setup so you control ports and encryption. Then change port numbers to the documented values, commonly 993 for a MAP SSL, 995 for POP3 SSL, 587 or 465 for SMTP. Also switch encryption modes between SSL/TLS and Startles to test compatibility. And ensure SMTP requires authentication using the same credentials. This fixes mismatches that produce 0x800ccc0e. Finish by enabling Outlook logging, then test send and receive to collect precise error text. This tells you if the failure is DNS, authentication, or port related. Once connection works, re-enable your firewall and antivirus, restoring the exact settings you noted earlier so security remains intact. If the error persists, reset the account password, verify your ISP isn't blocking SMTP ports, and contact the mail administrator. One key trouble.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.